Unahin natin sa pinakakilala na natin, like super kilala na natin. And that is Chris TV. Inuna ko na talaga to kasi this is one of those lifestyle shows that are very significant to all of the Filipinos. Ito lang yata yung lifestyle show na sobrang pinanood ng most of Filipino households. And Chris TV, Chris Aquino is such an icon. Like, is that a pakina mo? Yeah, it's a pakina mo. I just killed it. Chris Aquino is very engaging when it comes to the food that they go, the resorts and parks that they also go, and also when they travel, they really put themselves into like traveling and then immersing themselves with her staff. Like, we also get to know Darla. Like, Darla Sarrier. So, I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but Darla. This is, the medium that we know more about her. Like, also, Darla is such an icon. She is a legend, and she was a staple in that TV show other than Chris Aquino. Ang dami rin nating memes na nakuha in this lifestyle show. Like, this is such a, gem of the Philippine lifestyle shows, and I'm really, really sad that it had disappeared all of a sudden. And by the way, get well to Miss Chris Aquino. Even though it's really, really lethal for a person to have that kind of sickness, she's still strong. If in case Chris Aquino will, get better and come back in the Philippine media. Oh my God, nakita niyo ba yun? What the fuck? Okay. If she will come back in Philippine media, in ABS-CBN perhaps, I don't want her to come back on a game show. I don't want to come back. I don't want to make her comeback on a noontime show. I don't want to make her comeback with a TV drama. I wanted to come back on a lifestyle show. Like an interview show. Like, dun siya magaling eh. Mount Chismis. Like, she's the queen of all media at some sorts. Like, she can do everything. But at the same time, what she is really good at is interviewing celebrities and, being in a lifestyle show. Like, she is on her rawest side nung nasa Chris TV era siya, like her final era. Like, I really miss her so much. She's just very spontaneous about interviewing these celebrities, and also showcasing celebrities' homes are so pretty fascinating because doon nag-level up yung pag-i-interview na eh. Parang nandun yung parang rawest self ng mga celebrities pag nasa bahay sila, tapos ini-interview sila ni Chris Aquino, and they know that they can be comfortable with Chris Aquino because she is a very considerate and a very mature interviewee, unlike Boy Abunda. At yes, Ellen. Even though they're friends with Boy Abunda, I don't like Boy Abunda's way of interviewing, even though it's just his job. But bakit iba yung way ni Chris Aquino na pag-i-interview without, being so offensive to the celebrity? Bakit hindi magawa ni Boy Abunda yun? Again, I really miss Chris Aquino. I hope she will come back under a lifestyle show because dun ko siya like sobrang na-miss.